Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today let us finish all the remaining questions which were asked in Deloitte, that is National Level Assessment, which is for 4 LPA. Okay, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and share the video. If you are already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. If you are new to this playlist, that is Deloitte National Level Assessment, please watch the previous videos so that it helps you to crack the exam. And I have included all the direct questions which were asked in Deloitte National Assessment in this video. Okay, now let us dig into the video. This question is from critical reasoning. In the below given number series, how many numbers when multiplied by 6 will give a value more than 200 and less than 220? Okay, these are the number series and you have to do certain calculations so that it matches the given condition. Now let us multiply each number by 6 and check the results. 24 into 6, 144, less than 200, and in this way you have to do multiplication with all the given numbers with the 6, then you can generate the output, that is less than 200 greater than 220. Now based on that you have to get more than 200 and less than 220, right? Now the option is 2, that is correct option, correct answer is 2. Okay, the numbers that when multiplied by 6 result in the value between 200 and 220 are 36. So the correct answer is 1. Okay, only one element will be given, so the correct option is 2. Okay, now this question is from critical reasoning. The government has proposed a policy to give more money by reducing expenditures. This is the statement, and the arguments are the policy will help save much money for the government, which will contribute to overall fiscal health. The policy will harm essential public services and negatively affect the quality of life for citizens. Now the question is, which of the following options best describes the strength of the arguments? Both the arguments are strong. What is the reason is, argument 1 is strong because it presents the benefit of saving money for the government, which could lead to better facial health, and the second one is strong because it highlights the potential negative effects on public services and citizens quality of life, which is valid concern in such policy changes. So both arguments provide the valid perspectives, making them both stronger. Okay, now let us go into the another question. This is from reasoning ability. In a certain code language, chemical can be written as MBDJNFID. What is the code for universe? Okay, now you have to do certain operations so that you can get the answer as FTSFWJOV. For this you have to tell me in the comment section whether it is right or wrong. Okay, now let us go into the other question. Which one of the options will replace the question mark in the following sequence so that the completes the series? P4F, R12J, T20N, and this is the question mark. Sorry, it is not 7, this is the question mark, and X36V. Now the correct option is V2R8R. Now you have to find the series, the method for the series, and put it in the comment section so that everyone can see it. Okay, this is from the critical reasoning. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word ABUSIVELY, where the name of letters between the two letters on both sides in the same as alphabet from A to Z? Now the question is, you have to find the number of pairs in a word where the number of letters between the two letters is same as in the alphabet from A to Z. Now in such ways there are 2. That means there are 4. The correct option is 2. There are 4 ways. Sorry. Okay, there are 4 ways. I hope you got this question. Now let us dig into the another question. The difference between the length and width of a rectangle is 16 centimeters and the perimeter of the rectangle is 144. Find the area of a rectangle. I hope you can do it because the difference between the length and width of a rectangle is 16. The perimeter is also given. What about the area? Use the formula for perimeter, length into breadth. Whereas for area, it is length into breadth. For perimeter, 2 into L plus B. Right? Now you can use that and you can do. Okay, this is the question. Please do it. So this is the homework for you. And this is from quantability. From a pack of 52 cards, one card is drawn at random. Find the probability of getting a jack of hearts or a ace of spades. Now the answer is 1 by 26. This is the answer because in a deck of 52 cards there is only one jack of hearts and one ace of spades. They are mutually exclusive events. They cannot happen simultaneously. Thus the number of favorable outcomes jack of hearts or ace of spades is favorable outcomes is equals to 1 into jack of hearts plus 1 into spade of ace of spades, that is 2. The total possibilities of outcomes is 52. Okay, deck of cards are 52, so the probability of withdrawing jack of hearts or ace of spades is favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. The favorable are 2 by 52, that is 1 by 26. So the correct probability is 1 by 26. Correct option is D. Okay, this is the with this question. Now let us dig into the other question. This is from quantability. The difference between the length and width of the rectangle, so it has repeated. Okay, don't mind, do the problem. Okay, the difference and product of two numbers are 32 and 2145 respectively. Their sum is, the difference and product are given. This is difference, this is product. Then what is their sum? See, sum of two numbers is 98, so the correct answer is 98. You have to find difference means x minus y is equals to 32, xy is equals to this much. So by substituting one number, one variable, you can find the other, so that you can find the sum. Okay, right? Now let us go into the other question. This is also from quantability. The sum of ages of a group of friends is 250. If you add 4 years to each of their ages, their total age becomes 282 years. Then how many friends are there in the group? The correct answer is 8. Find the method for this. I have also provided you the answer. You should just find the method and put it in the comment section. Okay, let me know if you are going to catch up with this video or not, because I'm completing this video this much fast because I have to cover all the questions which were asked in the Deloitte exam, right? So you have to practice well, so be prepared for these all questions. And this is from quantability. I have already told you, completed. Okay, in which of the this is from technical, in which of the following hacking techniques does the hacker impersonate an authorized user to access the resources of the organization? Spoofing. Okay, spoofing is a hacking technique where the attacker impersonates an authorized user or a system to gain unauthorized access to resources. This trick is commonly used to bypass security mechanisms and access sensitive data or systems. So the correct answer is spoofing. Okay, let us go into the other question. This is also from the technical. Which clause is used to combine the records from one or more tables in SQL? Join, right? I have already done many SQL videos. If you want to learn from that. Join clause is very important. So the join clause in SQL is used to combine the records from two or more tables based on the related columns between them. The select clause is used to select the data from the table, but it does not combine the records from the multiple tables on its own. Okay, this is the difference between join and select. Where is used for filtering records. Aggregate refers to the functions like count, sum, average, etc., but isn't a clause used to combine the table. So join is the correct one. This is from SQL, that is technical. Okay, let us go into the other question. This is also from technical. They will give a certain code and you have to find the correct option. What is the output of the following argument? Okay, see, this is the C++, I think so. Now the correct option is hip 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 and hooray. Okay, find the solution of this. Let us go into the other question. This is also from technical. Which of the following SQL queries is correct to create a view for all the customers with their respective salesman ID and customer ID? So you have to be sure about the SQL queries. I have already prepared a playlist. If you want, go and watch that. Again, I will do more and more videos for you. Don't worry. If you want any videos, please put it in the comment section. Okay, the correct answer is C. Create views customers as select salesman ID cust and name from the customers. So here customers is a table name. Okay, if you want to create a view, you have to put this keyword create view. The name of the view is view. Okay, this is the correct one. Let us go into the another question. This is from HTML. Which tag is used to embed a video in HTML? The correct option is video. In HTML, video tag is used to embed a video on the web page. You can also specify the source attribute to link to the video file and use the additional attributes like controls to allow the user to control playback. Okay, video. This is used. This is the HTML question. And this is from technical completed. This is from cloud computing, right? Which visualization technology does AWS follow for its physical server virtualization or creating instances? Okay, the correct answer is XN Supervisor. Okay, Amazon Web Services primarily uses Hex and hypervisor technology for visualization. X is an open source hypervisor that allows multiple virtual machines to run on the same physical server, providing the foundation for creating instances in AWS. Although AWS has moved to use a modified version of XN called Nitro Hypervisor for newer EC2 instances. Okay, this is the correct solution for this. Okay, let us move into the end the question. This is from SQL. Table level constraints are applied to dash for entire table. Okay, table level constraints are applied to the entire table. They are typically used to define the rules that apply to the all rows of the table. For example, primary keys, foreign keys, and check constraints that can be defined at the table. These constraints ensure data integrity across the table as whole. In constraint, column level constraints are applied to a specific columns within the table. This is from SQL. Finally, thank you. I'm going to share many more videos on Deloitte. Still few MCQs are left. I'm going to make another video. Don't worry, and I will also make an video on coding questions which were asked in Deloitte. Prepare well for the exam and crack the interview too. Okay, thank you.